Let's make a carrot pineapple salad. We only have 3 ingredients. First, I start off with 3 fresh carrots. I've already washed them, so I'm just going to cut them in big chunks and put them in the food processor. Okay, we have our 3 fresh carrots in there. I just kind of chopped them up a little bit. The good thing about a carrot pineapple salad is carrots are very colorful. They're a good source of fiber, a good source of vitamin A, which is very important to help with cells, with bone growth, and also hair, skin, and a good immune system. Beautiful, very colorful. And I'm just gonna slice it going down. You need a nice knife. None of my knives are very sharp, but you need definitely a heavy knife to cut through this pineapple. Save yourself some money and cut up your own pineapple. I mean, it's really easy to do. It's not a lot. There isn't a lot of mess. It's not messy. And I just cut around that center part that's really high and fibrous. You know, it's really thick. I don't use that. And I cut them just like Dole cuts them. Little teeny tidbits. They call them pineapple tidbits. What's good about pineapple, you got a good source of vitamin C, but also pineapples have an enzyme in them called bromelain. And that enzyme is important and it can help with inflammation. But just like people who suffer from arthritis, which is issues with inflammation, you may want to fix a pineapple, carrot pineapples. Just have that as your frequent go-to because it has that bromelain, which is an enzyme. Also good with immune system, helping against those free radicals, which are substances which can cause or lead to illnesses and premature aging. Just 3 ingredients were our last ingredient. I've come across this, but it's True Whip. It's vegan whip topping. So I am going to start off with a half of a container and just blend it around. So easy. And yet you have some nutritious things in here. You know, life is short, it's uncertain. You may get hit by a bus, you may get hit by a rhino, but I don't want to go out because I didn't take care of myself, because I wasn't eating good food and just avoiding all health laws. Please subscribe. Share me with others. Non-dairy. There are no nuts in here. Because I know a lot of people have nut allergies. So this is one way I can make it. But the other way I would make this is I would add some walnuts, chopped walnuts. So I'm making it this way because I said 3 simple ingredients. There you have it, carrot pineapple salad. Come join me. There's plenty of room in Das Cafe, and we serve good living, and definitely we post the shows on Wednesday, early evening on Wednesday, and please subscribe. I'm Das. Come join me. I'm Das. I'm out, but I'll see you next show.